By the end of this video, you're going to have Claude Code fully integrated with your GoHighLevel account and managing the system for you. It'll be able to manage your inbox. It'll be able to manage your contacts, book appointments. It can even create emails and then push them into the system. And you don't need Zapier, you don't need Make, you don't need any third-party tools, just a direct connection between Claude Code and GoHighLevel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to get these two tools integrated. And I'm going to give you 4 use cases that you can start using right now to start offloading some of your repetitive tasks. And stick around for the 4th use case because that's my favorite and it saves me the most time. So let's jump into it. All right, so then connect Claude Code with GoHighLevel. You're going to need 3 things. You're going to need your sub account location ID, so the ID of the sub account you're working in. You're going to need an API key from that location. And you're also going to need what's called a .env file. So let me show you how to set this whole thing up. So the first thing that I want to do is I basically want to come in here in Claude Code. I want to make sure that my repo is open and we're working in our business folder. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to say, hey, Claude Code, can you help me set up my .env file to connect GoHighLevel with Claude Code? I'm going to give you the location ID and the API key. Please connect that for me and create the .env file. All right, then I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to say location ID, and then I'm going to hit shift and enter, and I'm going to do GHL API key. And now I'm going to go grab both of these. Okay, so I'm going to go to GoHighLevel, and all right, so I'm in GoHighLevel. What I want to do is I want to go down to settings. I want to go down to private integrations. And then I want to basically create a new API key. So I'm going to create new integration. I'm going to call this Claude Demo. And then I'm going to click Next. And then I'm going to select all the scopes. And basically this is giving Claude Code access to all the tools in GoHighLevel. So I'm going to click the drop down here and I'm going to just select all. And then I'm going to scroll down. And there's one that you need to delete. So you just exit out, close this one here because this is a little bit more sensitive. And then once that's done, you're going to go down and you're going to click create. And this is your API key. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to delete this later. You don't want to show this to anybody. So I'm going to go back to Claude Code. And then we're going to paste this in after the API key. And then we need to go grab our location ID. So I'm going to go back to GoHighLevel. You can find your location ID up here in the address bar. It's right after the location slash. So it's all the letters and numbers here. And then I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Claude Code Desktop and I'm going to paste that in after the location ID. And then I'm just going to hit enter. And what this is going to do is this is going to create what's called a .env file in your repo, okay? A .env file is basically where you can store all of your API keys to all the tools that you want Claude Code to control, and it keeps those safe, okay? That's essentially what it is. I'm not going to get into the technical details of how that works, but that's essentially what a .env file does. And then Claude Code is going to create that for us. It's going to add these different variables in that file. Should be able to use Claude Code with GoHighLevel. All right, so now our .env file is created. We are now connected to GoHighLevel. Let me just say, can you confirm that you are connected to GHL? All right, so we actually have to restart Claude Code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new session, and then I'm going to say, open the same repo, and then I'm going to say, can you confirm that you are connected to GHL? All right, so we are confirmed. We have GoHighLevel connected to Claude Code. Now let's talk about some of the things that we can do with this new connection. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of times my GoHighLevel inbox just gets out of control, crazy, a lot of unread messages in there because I'm sending out these campaigns and people reply and it just clogs up my inbox. So it would take me forever to just kind of go through these and read them and see if I need to respond to any of these. So what I like to do is I've actually created a skill called GHL Cleanup, Inbox Cleanup. And what this is going to do, it's going to scan my conversations. It's going to look to see if I need to respond to any of those. And then it can actually create a response for those messages and then send those emails for me. So I don't have to spend all my time scanning everything. I don't have to write out the messages and I don't have to send all those emails. Claude Code is going to do all of that for me with this skill that I've set up. So now it did its scan and then it gives me instructions on what I need to do with each of these messages. So we've got the triage is to dismiss the message, which means I don't need to reply or anything. We have reply, which means I do need to reply, or it says forward, and that means I need to forward to my partner, Jeff. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell Claude Code what I want to do with each one of these messages. So the first thing is I'm going to say, please mark all of the green dismiss messages as read so they get out of my inbox. All right, so now we've cleaned out our things that we need to just dismiss. They don't need a reply. So next, what I can also do is please create replies for all the people that need replies, and I'll review them and then you can send them. So now Claude Code is actually going to review those messages, the threads of those messages, is going to create a relevant response to those messages. And then once I've actually read the responses, I can actually get Claude Code to send those messages for me. So you can see it went through all of those messages that needed a reply. It created a reply for me. And now I can just tell it to send each one of these messages after I've kind of read through them and confirmed that they look good. And it will send all of those replies for me. I don't have to sit there and type anything. I don't have to go through there and read every message. Claude Code does it for me. And this is a very useful use case for using Claude Code and GoHighLevel. It saves me minutes, if not hours, out of my day. Another thing I can have Claude Code do is to schedule out social media posts using the social planner in GoHighLevel. So a little bit earlier, I had Claude Code create this carousel for me. Basically the school traffic checklist that I use every week to grow my school community. So I want to actually schedule this and publish this on Instagram. So I'm going to go back to Claude Code. I got it to load this up earlier. And then I'm going to say, can you please schedule out this carousel with the caption using the GHL social planner and schedule that to go out on April 30th at 3 p.m. Eastern. All right, so now you can see if I go back to GoHighLevel, there's no posts in here that are ready to be scheduled. And so Claude Code is going to take that carousel and it's going to post it into the planner, and then it's going to schedule it out for me on the time and date that I specified. All right, so we're back in the social planner in my GoHighLevel account. I'll click on this post that it just created, and you can see it is scheduled for April 30th at 3 p.m. Eastern, and we've got all of the 9 slides in here, along with the caption that Claude Code wrote for me. So that is another use case. You can manage your social media planner. You can schedule out your social media posts on all the connected channels that you have set up in GoHighLevel Social Planner. Another thing I can do is have it scan my calendar and find open spots and then book an appointment for me. So let's check this out. Please scan my 30-minute Ron Medlin calendar and see what open spots I have available. All right, so it came back and it told me I have 2 spots available, both on May 6th, one at 5:15 and one at 5:30. So I'm going to say, can you please book a spot on my calendar 5:15 for test, and the email address for test is test@email.com. All right, so you can see it booked the calendar appointment for test, and on May 6th at 5:15. Now let's actually check my calendar, make sure that that actually booked. And you can see here, May 6th, 5:15. So that's another use case. You can check your calendars for availability, and you can also book appointments. Now, one of my favorite use cases, and probably the one that saves me the most time, is we do a lot of promotional campaigns to our email list, right? And so one of the things that I do with Claude Code is I actually plan and write all of the promotional posts for a particular promotion. And you can see for this promotion here, this is a webinar that we were running. We had 9 emails that I wrote all with Claude Code. And now what we can do is we can actually get Claude Code to push these emails into GHL, so I don't have to do any copy and pasting to create all of those emails. Claude Code will do that for me. And so once they're in GoHighLevel, I can just easily go into my workflow and then select the template that I want to use for each individual email. So this saves me hours of time. So let's show you how this works. All right, so I'm going to do GHL email push, and then I'm going to say, please make sure that you name the folder so that I can understand which folder that you're using. So just make the name, date, and name of the promotion. And then also make sure that you name all of the emails in order and give me the appropriate date and time for each email, and also name them and number them appropriately. And you don't even have to really explain as well as you think you do, and it will figure it out for you. So we're going to give it that command, and then we'll go and check GoHighLevel to make sure that those folders are created. All right, so it came back with its plan. It told me what the name of the folder is going to be, told me the 9 templates that are inside, and the send date for each one of these, and the template name. So now I need to just say, okay, go for it. And now it'll go and it will create the folder. It will create all the emails, and it will put those emails inside the folder. All right, so now we got confirmation. The folder has been created and we have all of our emails inside the folder. So let's actually go check that out and GoHighLevel. So it's this one that was created on April 30th. I'm going to click into that. You can see the folder's name is correct. And then you can see all of our emails are in here in the order that they're supposed to be sent. And I know exactly when to send these emails. Now, all I have to do is go into my workflow that's kind of mapped out to drip out on these different days, and then select the template for each email, and then save it, and I'm done. This used to take me literally hours. This is a game changer, seriously. All right, so these 4 use cases are really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what you can do when you connect GoHighLevel with Claude Code. Like we showed you earlier, you can manage your inbox, lots of different things you can do with your inbox and conversations. You can create contacts, you can add tags, you can search contacts, you can create appointments, you can list all your calendar events. You can use the email builder, create, edit, all of those different things. You can push email, HTML body copy. You can manage the social planner, so you can edit and schedule posts like we showed you. You can get statistics. You can move people in pipeline stages. You can manage your payments. You can list, or you can send invoices. You can send documents. You can create blog posts. So with Claude Code, you can write blog posts and then you can publish them. You can do all kinds of stuff with this connection. And really, this is the early stages. I'm looking forward to the time when you can actually get Claude Code to build all of your workflows for you, create all the emails for those workflows, and then plug them in for you. So this is really just the early stages. And this is as close as it gets to having a full-time employee. You create a few skills for all the repeatable things that you're doing on a daily basis. You get Claude Code to run those skills, connect it to GoHighLevel, and it can actually execute those tasks for you. So if you like this kind of thing, if you want to get the full setup checklist and you want to get a list of all the things that you can do with GoHighLevel, I'm going to drop a link in the description so you join our free school community and you can get instant access to both of these resources. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the community.